Okay, so this is quite a big project I'm showing you today. I'm making like a round cushion, and this is one side of it. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. The yarn that I'm using, I don't know the name of it, but it's variegated. You can see that there's lots of different colours in it, and I'll show you the ball itself. There's like a very browns, and it's like cotton in sort of oranges and pinks and browns. And then there's this fancy sort of yarn here as well. So this is making this quite a fancy type of cover here for my cushion. So I'm going to show you then how I'm doing this with a Cordmaker. So this is my Cordmaker. I'll show you that. There, it's got two latches here at the end, two latch hooks. Okay, so it's made from two regular rug latch hooks. So I've just made 5 chain there, 5 chain. They actually, I don't call them chain normally. These are cord stitches. So I've made 5 cord stitches there, and then I'm going to hook into the next bridge. And I use a bridges method so that it's easy for the latch to go under. So these are bridges all the way around the side here. You can see them, bridges. And I'm going to hook under the next bridge, which is this one. Okay, so I'm going to hook that in like that on the hook that's nearest to me. So I've now got a loop and a cord on my nearest hook here. And I'm going to yarn over. And then these two latches here will close on their own as I pull, and then you pull it through all the loops on the hook till you've got 2 left, like that. And then we're going to make that cord length of 5 cord stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then do the same again. So I'm going under this next loop here, yarn over, pull, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into the next bridge, yarn over, and 5 more. And that's how we do it all the way around. Now of course I don't do 5 every single time, because if you was to do that it wouldn't lay flat, but that would be another tutorial. I'm just showing you today how I can use my Cordmaker. So I'm going to finish that video there. It's just a short one, and bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe if you're on my YouTube here. Subscribe, hit the notification bell as usual, and then I will reply if you comment. Okay, thank you, bye.